Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Samsung Galaxy S20 stock wallpapers and stock live wallpapers on your Android smartphone. Stay tuned. So a lot has been leaked about the Samsung Galaxy S20, which is going to be the next flagship from Samsung and going to be released in the Galaxy Unpacked event on 11th February 2020. Recent leaks about the camera shows us the complete user interface and even some camera specs. But one leak which I've been waiting for since all these leaks started is about the stock wallpapers. As you can tell by looking at my smartphone's home screen that I really fond of customizing my smartphone. So the day finally arrived and XDA Developers has leaked the Galaxy S20 stock wallpapers, which you can download easily from the link in the description. Inside that package there are a bunch of image wallpapers which you can set as wallpaper on your Android smartphone, but the package also includes the stock live wallpapers in the form of short videos. So how are you going to apply them? That's what I'm going to tell you today in this step-by-step guide. First, you need to download this stock wallpaper package from the link in the description. Extract the zip package and move the two video files to your smartphone's internal memory. Now you have to download this app called Video Wallpaper, which lets you set a video as a wallpaper on your Android smartphone. So download this free app from the Google Play Store. Select the video file, you just move to your smartphone and it's done. The dark one looks really good and will help you save a little battery on your smartphone with AMOLED display. The white one is kinda still, but if you like it, you can set it to using the same steps. Now you can flaunt these new stock live wallpapers from the smartphone which hasn't been out yet. So that's it for now guys, hope you liked the video, hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.